Hey everyone, what is up? I am Rishabh and you are watching It's All Art. Today we are going to learn how to draw and shade pidgeotto. So let's start. The sketching part is already done, but don't worry, this is a complete drawing tutorial. Just watch till the end. Use the scale to measure different areas of the drawing and mark it with pen or pencil. This method will give you a rough idea about your drawing. Repeat this measuring and marking method as many times as you want if you are a beginner. This will help you to understand the distance and gap between every part of your drawing much better. Use 8B pencil and shade the darker parts, then use cotton bud and blend it. Again use 8B pencil and blend it with cotton bud. Use 4B pencil for lighter parts. Now use cotton bud for blending. If you like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon.